Incorporating leading lines into your composition can be another great way of helping your viewers and leading their eyes to certain parts within your design. The best way to utilize them is to have them point to a focal point within the composition or to indicate a specific direction or motion. So here's a great example. This retro poster of New York has all of these colorful lines indicating a left to right direction, mainly because we can't see where they start here on the left side, but we can see their endpoints on the right. And the illustrator or designer introducing these lines in the composition achieved a couple of different things. First of all, it helps to focus on the Statue of Liberty, because all of these lines are pointing towards that part in the design. But they are also used to establish depth, like some of these lines, as you can see, are coming in front of the Chrysler building in the foreground, while some of the lines are going behind it. And the same thing happens here with the Statue of Liberty. Again, we have a line that goes behind it and another line that comes in front of it. The variation of depth in these lines, but also the variation in their thickness and color, also helps to add visual rhythm in the composition. Here is another illustration that shows that we don't actually need perspective for leading lines to work. In this case, the viewpoint is placed above these runners, and these diagonal lines here that represents the track on which they are running can be considered leading lines, helping again to establish the forward motion of the athletes. Now, of course, you don't have to avoid perspective if you want to create or introduce leading lines into your composition. They won't clash, they can actually work really nicely hand in hand. In this case, I would consider the curves of the beach to be the leading lines, and they obviously create this great sense of perspective as they are all getting closer to each other here in the distance. And these lines also help us and direct our attention to this focal point area here, which is the airplane. On this brilliant poster for the movie Dune that was released in 2021, we also have a very strong curve, the tip of this dune in the desert world of Arrakis, that connects the title and this character here at the bottom. But the amazing thing about this composition is that the same curve that we see here also forms a section of something that we can imagine being a planet. And since this is a sci-fi story set in the future in space, planets play a huge role. But besides that, it can also be considered as the first letter of the word Dune. And I really admire the designer who came up with this composition, because there's just so much hidden meanings packed into this extremely simplistic design. It's a great example of the less is more rule in action, but also showing the power and strength of simplicity, a Gestalt principle. Moving on, here is another brilliant illustration where the leading lines are actually indicated by light and shadow. It might be hard to notice at this size, but there is a character here at the bottom with a horse and also leading another horse. And even though these characters are tiny, thanks to the leading lines, eventually almost everyone would notice them. And the leading lines in this case, as I said, are created by light and shadow. So these lines and also these lines are all pointing down here around this section where we have the characters. And what makes this illustration even more interesting is that instead of having just parallel lines used as leading lines, here they almost form like arrows. So we can see the tip of this arrow here, and there's the two sides of it. And the same thing here, again, it looks like an arrow to me. So this is just another masterful example of how you can use leading lines to direct your viewers' attention to important details in your composition.
Thanks a lot for watching. Like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we release new videos. Click on the link on my right and start your membership today to get access to over 200 hours of training courses and personal mentoring by me and my team of creative professionals. Have fun learning, guys, and I will see you in the next one.